Understanding, having a falling out. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting phrase in the English language. Having a falling out. It's a phrase you might encounter in everyday conversations, movies, books, or even in work settings. Understanding this phrase will not only enhance your English vocabulary but also help you navigate social situations more effectively. Let's get started. Having a falling out refers to a situation where two or more people have a disagreement or argument that leads to a strain in their relationship. This doesn't mean a brief argument that is quickly resolved. Rather, it's a serious dispute that causes the individuals to stop being friendly or cease communication for a period of time. The reasons behind a falling out can vary widely, from personal misunderstandings to disagreements over beliefs or actions. To better understand this phrase, let's look at a few examples. Two best friends might have a falling out over a misunderstanding about borrowed money, leading them to not speak to each other for months. Business partners could have a falling out over the direction of their company, resulting in one partner leaving the venture. Family members might have a falling out due to differences in opinions or lifestyles, causing tension during gatherings. These examples show that a falling out can occur in various relationships and contexts, highlighting the impact of disagreements in human connections. Now that we know what it means, let's see how to incorporate having a falling out into sentences. After having a falling out over their vacation plans, the couple decided to travel separately. The band is currently on hiatus after having a falling out with their manager. Despite having a falling out, they managed to reconcile and restore their friendship. Using this phrase correctly in sentences will help you express complex relationship dynamics in a nuanced way. Having a falling out doesn't always mean the end of a relationship. Many times, with communication, understanding, and a willingness to forgive, people can resolve their differences and mend their relationship. It's important to listen to the other person's perspective, express your own feelings honestly, and find common ground or compromise where possible. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and use of having a falling out. Remember, disagreements are a natural part of relationships, but how we handle them can either strengthen or weaken our connections with others. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful English language learning content. See you in the next video.